Hey everybody, welcome to our last week, week 5 in the research course. So got a picture up here of Seattle just because we used to live there for a while back. So there's a pretty picture of Seattle, and let's jump in here to the course room real quick. Won't take you too long. Let's do a quick review of last week, week 4. Um, this is an unusual course in that because it's a research course and we don't have a regular textbook type situation, and your assignments are doing like individual, like even in the discussion, you're getting your own individual topic, research topic, case that you found and wrote about. So it is a little different. Same thing with the homeworks. you know so um, it is a little different. So as far as the discussions go, though, I mean, those of you that are active in there, you do good. And same thing with the homeworks. Those of you that are active and actually submitting them, no problems. Any issues that I've come across, I would have already let you know about it. So no real, no issues there on those. So again, in one respect, some may feel this is a pretty easy course because the only thing you have to do is just write a little. But then again, the flip side is there a lot of people think this is a very difficult course because you have to write. And so, I mean, depending on your own perspective, it can go either way. As far as the video here, not a whole lot to go over because it's pretty much on you. This upcoming week 5 here, just like you've done the past, you're picking it. Same thing with the, let me check on the homework here. I think the homework's the same format. Yeah, you got your case, your paper, so that you've been working on, and then your PowerPoint. So these are the two things that you're supposed to have been working on. You were supposed to let me know back in week 1 what your project was, so I would approve it. There are a few that did not, so hopefully what you send me, it will be sufficient and not something somebody else has done. That's the other reason why you're supposed to let instructors know at the beginning of a course what you're going to pick, so that you're not picking the same thing somebody else picked. So just for future reference. You also, the other thing we ask you is to take a few minutes to do the evaluation. That way you can let us know if there's any issues you came across. Be it good or bad. The thing, like saying with this course, there's a text, but it's just got to take a text of the cases. So the purpose of this course is for you to kind of learn how to get used to writing, looking at a case study or a situation, and then summarizing it so you can present it to somebody and let them know what happened. This is something you could end up doing down the road where you're at, or you may have already done it somewhere where you're at. But there's always, in the business world, regardless of what industry, it could be medical, it could be whatever, there might be a situation where you might be asked to, hey, do a little research on this subject and let us know about it. Somebody might have heard something about a new way offices are being ran. Can you find out what's that all about? So you would look up how offices are being ran, what software maybe they use, and pay systems and different things like that. And you would present a little paper, to your bosses or to your board or whatever it is on what it is and how it works. It's kind of where this case analysis PowerPoint comes in. You're given a report on a situation or a company, but that can segue into, okay, maybe this is something we should look at doing it this way, or maybe doing it a different way. So that's how things happen out there. So anyway, so that's the why of why this course is designed a certain way, where you don't have a different text and all and everybody's doing the same thing, because it's so that you as an individual can learn how to do independent research and then present it a little bit. All right. And so back on the eval, yeah, let us know if there's anything you saw or didn't see or would like to see, or everything's great, whatever the case is. So yeah, so that should do it. And like I said, this is our last week, so I mean, unless you're in, I know, I don't think that the next term has been set up yet. I didn't see my course, so I don't know which ones I'm teaching yet, so might be the same for you. But if I see you next time, great. If you're moving on, I know there's a graduation coming up in June too, so depending on where you're at and what you're doing. But either way, My last thing here is my weekly test question. That right there, actually, this is recent. This past week, picking up from preschool. So there you go. With that, I'll let you go. Again, loved working with everybody. Great week. And I'll see you next time. Take care, everybody. Bye.